Hello. Today, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this special device here. Wow, this is a classic. This comes out in the 60s of the last century for us. Lava lamp. This black base lava lamp with a transparent liquid and red lava in it. This is the bedside lamp and motion lamp. Retro, baby. For children and adults, this is a decoration mood light for Christmas and, of course, for everyday use. And it comes to us from Brightwish store. Wow, that looks really cool. Because here it comes. It made with a stable aluminum base and a rubber safety glass. This lava lamp conveniently with the long-lasting quality and stylish design. The fine workmanship ensures a smooth surface and a reliable performance over a lot of years, of course, will become. And after heating, the wax slowly rises upwards and then gently drops again. This is a soothing and rhythmic game that simply meets stress and tension, of course. So relax a little bit. The warm, soft light fills the room with a soothing atmosphere. It calms the mind, releases the tension, and creates a peaceful mood for relaxation, meditation, or a restful sleep. Nice decoration, eh? And no complicated assembly needed. We just screw in the light bulb, we plug it in, and enjoy the lava lamp. After about 3 hours, the wax begins to flow. The running time can get up to 8 hours at a time. After that, we allow it to cool down completely before moving or cleaning that device, of course. It's nice to see. It's a real eye-catcher for every home. This is a good idea for the bedroom for soothing light moods, in the office with stress relief, in bars for a relaxing atmosphere, or for a magical lava lamp for children and decoration highlights at the wedding and holiday parties as well. The lava lamp is decorative lamp that was invented in 1963 by a British entrepreneur, Edward Graham Walker, the founder of the lighting company Mathmos. Lava lamps consist of a bolus of wax and a clear of a translucent liquid inside a glass vessel. The vessel is placed on a lamp base with an incandescent light bulb. The heat caused a temporary reduction in the wax density and the liquid surface tension. As the warm wax rises through the liquid, it cools, loses its buoyancy, and falls back to the bottom of the vessel in a cycle. That is visually suggested in Pa-ho-he-hoe lava. The lamps are designed in a variety of styles and colors. Lava lamps are commonly associated with hippie and cannabis cultures, of course. But here we have a lava lamp which brings us joy and a nice time for relaxing and a good-looking lava lamp time. This comes with transparent liquid and red lava. This is a nice bedside lamp and a motion lamp, a retro lamp for children and adults. By the good old Brightwish. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!